Here are your top 3 stocks for the week starting on Sunday, August 20th. Welcome back to the channel, guys. For today's video, we're going through the top 3 stocks for this week, starting off with PepsiCo, okay? Ticker symbol PEP. Now, this is a good long-term play to add to your portfolio no matter when it's dipping, but especially now because of the fact that I like this setup a lot. So I drew 2 lines, a support line right here, which is this red line, and a resistance line up here. Now, it's not the cleanest line, but I really like this support line down here. Currently, we're sitting at around 178, okay? And we pulled below this 180-day SMA line, which is huge already to begin with. So, since we broke below this 180-day SMA line right here, and based on the past track where we've seen it bounce here off this line, bounce here off this line, bounce here, it's going to be approaching or hopefully getting close to this 170 area. If we can see it get to this area, I would definitely go in and buy some shares. I'm definitely seeing what the stock is going to do this week. If it opens up lower, right now we're at 178. If it opens up below 175, I'm going to buy some shares and keep buying until it hits this support area and watch it either bounce or it breaks through the support area and falls lower and we buy more, because this is, again, a long-term play that we're looking to add to. PepsiCo pays $1.26 dividend right now every single quarter, which is huge. They just reported in September. So the next quarter will be probably closer to end of November, early December. And so $1.26 per share, do the math. It's worth it for a dividend play. It's worth it for an overall good long-term investment that slowly rises and is growing not only your money in an investment, but is growing because of the dividend play as well. This is a good stock. Definitely watch for this to drop below 175, get closer to that 170 area, and I think you could buy this on your long-term account. The next stock we have is Deere and Company. John Deere. This is a good one. A little sloppy and obviously a little expensive, going around $400 a share. Right now, $397 is where it closed on Friday. Another good dividend play, pays $1.25. Not the most beautiful mover. It has its moments where it's a little bit stronger than other days or weeks on it, whereas PepsiCo is a little bit more consistent, a slow but uptrending mover. This is a little bit choppier, a little bit riskier to play. But any means, so if we zoom in a little bit, you can see the lines that I drew. Again, let's find the support right here. So find the support right here and resistance up here. Resistance is strong. 450 we can't seem to break. With support, I like that it bounced through here and it bounced through here, and this line kind of makes this slanted angle like I drew before that allows me to kind of see if it's in an uptrend. This is helping us build this ascending triangle uptrend. And so if we're, we did fall quite a bit here. We dropped from around 440 all the way down to 397. So we definitely want to keep watching this one for maybe a short-term bounce back up to 400, and then back below 400, drop to 390, 380. And I think this 380 area, 370 area is a strong area where I'd want to look to pick up some shares. Definitely below 390, I want to pick up some shares. But if we get closer to 380, 370 especially, this is a good one to add to your long-term portfolio if you don't have it already, especially if it gets below this 375 area. I would definitely keep watching that one. But besides that, yeah, 450 is a resistance. We probably won't be getting close to that, but I think we'll be getting close to this support area down here around 380. The last one we're going to take a look at is VU, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It's overall just a strong play for a lot of long-term investment accounts. We could scroll out here to see how it's been doing over the past 4 years. Basically from 2019 we hit lows around 215. We obviously dropped because of COVID through here, but it's an overall just strong, good uptrending play. That's an overall S&P 500. It tracks the S&P 500 as an ETF. So this is obviously a very well-known investment, and I think that this is something that, not right now because it's a little hot still, but we have pulled back from 420 down to 401, and looking at where we have some interesting resistance which then turned into support, I think that this 380 area, which, look right here, intersects with the 180-day SMA line right now. 380 is going to be an interesting area you want to keep on watch for. I think this can pull back lower. I think the market can pull back lower a little bit. And if we do see it get to this 380, watch to see if it could hold this resistance, which is now going to be support, Or if it doesn't hold, this is now resistance again, which is a strong area resistance, which could continue in a lower downtrend. So this is going to be a good one to watch. Whether you want to add VU into your account is completely up to you, because it is an ETF. It's a little different than a normal stock. but this is definitely little by little adding into VU, VTI, a lot of the different Vanguard plays is overall a pretty smart option, I would say. And watching it below this $400 level would be something I would take into consideration, especially with you having a 180-day SMA line around 380, and also this resistance point, which is now our support if we can hold above 380 right here, intersecting. Let me know which one your favorite is in the comments below. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.